begin work. 3 medium short blasts means that the threshing machine will soon need more sheaves. 1 very long blast, followed by 3 shorter ones, is a signal that the water is low in the steam engine and the water hauler better hurry. Lots of short, rapid blasts is a signal for fire or some other serious problem. Pitchforks to pick up the sheaves and load them into the wagon. These people are called field pitchers. The bundle wagon is driven by a person called a teamster, but a good team of horses was well enough trained to follow the line of sheaves in the fields by itself. If more sheaves are added to the bundle wagon, they must be pitched higher and higher. Although ours is pretty full today, the wagon can carry about 300 bundles in a load. Once the wagon is full, the twister and the team take the wagon to the part of the field where the threshing machine has been set up. The threshing machine, also known as a separator, separates the grain kernels from the chaff and straw. Spike pitchers on the bundle wagon are throwing sheaves onto the feeder of the threshing machine. As the bundles are carried into the machine, roving knives cut the string. The separator operator stands on top of the separator so he can check to see that bundles are fed into the separator properly and that there is no waste in threshing. To make sure that the belt is operating correctly, and he also oils and greases the machine. Breakdowns on the separator or any other piece of equipment can cost time and money, and modern-day farmers still have this knowledge. Inside the threshing machine there are rows of steel pegs or teeth. These teeth help the kernels help the heads of grain. Then a straw rack separates the chaff and straw from the kernels. The straw comes out the wind stacker or straw blower at the back and slowly forms a straw stack. The old kernels fall down into the grain pan and then are moved up an elevator to a hopper. From here, the kernels are transferred into a grain wagon. The threshing machine you see here today, powered by a steam engine, is a Bell City New Heart model. It was first patented in